is.
اون برو بابا چی یواش میری؟ Okay?
I lost my front over the edge there.
Yeah, it's here.
It's very narrow here.
Yeah.
Guess you built them?
Oh, the shade is so nice.
Yeah, no, it's gonna hang out here. Golly. Way better than last
Wanna go?
weekend.
Why not? Thanks, buddy. Whoops. Right on course. Holy shit! Crazy! Oh my god! Oh,
Oh, they
holy moly!
Why did they open this last weekend?
Woo! That's
They
sick!
like, if they didn't open last weekend, all this would be fine.
Oh my god,
Pretty bad.
that's sick.
Get sketchy there for a second.
Yeah.
Oh, Mike's filthy again.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
Did you?
Ah,
Before the rock roll.
Way before. 3 feet into the trail.
You're good. Feet up.
yeah, yeah. Oh my god, oh my god.
Teach you the technique.
Crashing off the bike.
Well, here, let's go.
I walked it through, Kelly. Much for today.
It's gonna get worse down here again too. Yeah. There's gonna be another section just like that.
Is that Paragram or whatever it is?
Paradigm.
Yeah, Paradigm.
We should go ride it.
Are parts it tech too?
Oh yeah.
Or is it all flow?
No, it's tech and flow.
I'll
Yeah, we
stop.
should go to that after lunch.
Oops. Oh. Crazy. Sketch. Oh my god. Sketchy. Yeah. Oh no.
Yeah, we should go over to the other side maybe.
Yeah.
It might be better.
A little more packed.
I don't really want to paddle, but Is there like a complete split up there? Those 2 A's? I thought I'd seen something else.
I don't know.
We all ended up going left, right. I think there's another line to go right somewhere.
There's like a little split. Right
They gotta put a catch berm.
Oh yeah.
Bottom of that too. It's
Yeah.
brutal. Yeah, they
Yeah.
need something there. And it just keeps getting pushed farther and farther.
Yeah, I knew it was this coming this time, so I stayed high. But
Yeah.
you don't know the trail.
Yeah, that was a mess.